Good morning, students. Today we will read the part 4 of pronoun. Okay. In our previous lecture, we have read about the demonstrative pronoun. Okay. So now today we are going to discuss about pronoun part 4, reflexive pronoun. Okay. What we will discuss? Reflexive pronoun. Okay. Or emphatic pronoun. Today we will discuss reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. So students, what is the difference between reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun? First I want to tell you that in your book, okay, in 3rd class there is reflexive topic only. Reflexive pronoun topic is there. Emphatic pronoun is its extra part. Okay. So we will read today both of them. Okay. So now see what is the reflexive pronoun, like myself, herself, है ना, ourselves, themselves. These type of pronoun are called reflexive and emphatic pronoun. दोनों ही इस तरह के pronoun होते हैं. So now let's see what is the difference between reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. Okay. So now student, reflexive and emphatic pronoun are called compound pronoun also. Okay. I repeat again, reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun are called compound pronoun also because they are formed. Because reflexive and emphatic pronoun are formed by adding self or selves to the personal pronoun. Okay. So this is the personal pronoun and emphatic pronoun and reflexive pronoun. Okay, see how to they form. Okay, personal pronoun he, she, I, it. Okay, these are singular personal pronoun. Okay, singular personal pronoun. Okay, these are singular personal pronoun, you can say. And so how to form its reflexive and emphatic? So see, like he, himself. Okay, again himself. Here we add here s. So this is called compound pronoun also. She, herself, and I, myself, it, itself. Okay. So these are reflexive and emphatic pronouns. So how? Okay, this is how they can form. Okay, by adding self. Okay, because these are singular, so we will add only self because these are singular. Okay, so we will add only self. And okay, you have to write this because these are singular. You have to note in your notebook. Okay, student. Okay, now I am going to read this. And now second, you, they, and we. These are personal plural pronoun. Okay. So how to make its emphatic or reflexive pronoun? You, yourself, and yourselves. Okay student, because you is singular, okay, and plural. यू को आप सिंगुलर में भी, ये सिंगुलर फॉर्म में भी आती है और प्लूरल फॉर्म में भी आती है. सो इट इज़ योर सेल्फ एंड योर सेल्व्स. ओके, दे देम सेल्व्स, वी आवर सेल्व्स. Okay, so this is how we can make its plural, okay, plural form, okay, in reflexive and emphatic. Okay, I hope you understood. So first you have to learn ki how to make this. Okay, okay, you with, because it's a singular and plural, so in singular we will add only self, and in plural we will add selves, and they, themselves, or we and ourselves. Okay, so singular personal pronoun, okay, and this is compound. You can say compound pronoun also, because they are formed by adding self or selves. Okay, with plural we will add selves, because you singular and plural, they also, they is also plural, so themselves, with them, with plural we will add selves, and we is ourselves. Okay, so you have to write this ki how to form. Okay, okay, now see what is the difference between emphatic and reflexive pronoun. Okay beta, see, first used with verb, किसके साथ यूज होते हैं? यूज्ड विथ वर्ब, ये वर्ब के साथ यूज होते हैं. आई मीन कम्स आफ्टर द वर्ब. यू कैन राइट कम आफ्टर द वर्ब. सेकेंड, they work as a object. Okay, they work as a object. Okay student, so emphatic pronoun come, emphatic pronoun come after subject or object. Okay student, they come after subject and object, and as a nominative case, as a case. ये these are used as a subject and these are used as a nominative case. Okay, so what is the difference? See, you have to remember only this: reflexive pronoun always comes after the verb. Okay, and they work as a object also. And emphatic pronoun, okay, emphatic pronoun are used as a nominative case and they comes after subject and object. Okay, so let's see by the examples. Reflexive examples I am giving here, I am writing here, like I hurt myself. I hurt myself. I hurt myself. You can check it. Myself is being used after verb, so it is reflexive. Okay, it is reflexive. You can say it is reflexive. And the boys hid themselves. The boys hid themselves. It means देखो listen, this is verb and reflexive pronoun is used after the verb. So you can say this is reflexive pronoun. Okay, because after the verb as a, अब इसका object you can find out its object also hurt. किसको hurt किया? Myself. खुद को hurt किया. It means if you get what and whom answer, then it's a object of the verb. Okay, like whom hurt? Myself. कि खुद को hurt किया. It means this is the object of this verb. Okay, hit किसको hit किया? Themselves. Because the boys is plural, so you can say you have to write here themselves. Okay, then hit themselves. Okay, so after verb it is being used, so you can say this is reflexive. Okay, and emphatic pronoun like I myself did it. कि मैंने, देखो इसमें it is used as a subject, as a nominative case. I myself did it. कि मैंने खुद ने, इसमें this word is emphasizing on subject. This word is emphasizing on subject. So this is called emphatic pronoun. Okay. Second example. She told me the news herself. Okay, she told me the news herself. Here you can check after object, इसमें the news and me after, this is the object of this verb. So herself is being used after the object. So you can say this is emphatic pronoun. Okay, what kind of pronoun? Emphatic pronoun. And this is after verb they are being used, so you can say these are reflexive pronoun. And these here you can check after subject it is being used, so you can say it is emphatic pronoun. And after object, the news, what is this? The news, here object of this verb, so you can say this is the emphatic pronoun. Okay, I hope you understood difference between the reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. Okay, see one more example. The cat licked itself. The cat licked itself. Here you can check, this is here verb and itself is used after the verb. Okay, itself is being used after the verb, so you can say this is reflexive pronoun. Okay, this is reflexive pronoun because itself is object of this verb. Okay, and one more thing, the cat for animal and non-living thing, for animal we use itself. Okay, listen student, for animal we will use itself. Okay, one more example. We ourselves saw him do it. We ourselves saw him do it, कि हमने उसे खुद करते हुए देखा. It means we is plural, so we will use ourselves and saw him do it. So here it is being used after the subject. So this is the emphatic pronoun. By this name it means it is giving, it is emphasizing on the subject. Okay, it is emphasizing on the subject, so this is emphatic pronoun. So I hope you student you have understood this video. If you have any kind of problem you can ask me. So whatever exercise are given in your book, you have to complete all the exercise. Okay, and in your book there is only reflexive pronoun. Okay, So student, you have to complete all exercise, okay, because you can easily understood that exercise after watching this video. Okay student, thank you student, have a nice day.